OnePlus has launched its new Nord series phone globally called OnePlus Nord 5, with smart AI features. Now let's explore the specifications of this smartphone. The OnePlus Nord 5 features a tall 6.83-inch 1.5K resolution Swift AMOLED display, with up to 144 Hz refresh rate and up to 1800 nits of peak brightness support. The screen is HDR10 Plus certified, and on the top, it is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 7i. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 chipset, paired with Adreno 735 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8 or 12 GB of LPDDR5X RAM that can be extended up to another 12 GB by using internal storage, and it has 256 or 512 GB of UFS 3.1 storage. As per the optics, the OnePlus Nord 5 sports a dual camera setup on the rear that includes a 50-megapixel main camera with Sony's lite 700 sensor, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 116-degree field of view. For selfies, it has 50-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, with Samsung's ISOCELL JN5 sensor, and both the front and rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 60 frames per second. The device comes equipped by a massive 6,800 mAh battery, with 80 watts SuperVOOC fast charging support, and it runs on Android 15 out of the box, with Oxygen OS 15 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it includes a large VC heat dissipation system to keep the device cool in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, NFC, IR Blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 163.4 by 77 by 8.1 millimeters, and it weighs around 211 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The OnePlus Nord 5 has been priced globally as follows. The smartphone is now available for purchase in dry ice, marble sands, and phantom gray color options. So, what do you guys think of this OnePlus Nord 5 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.